Friends, my name is Dinesh Haria. I will bring some of the videos related to the financial market in India. I do not know how many of you are aware, but from 31st March 2021, National Stock Exchange has changed the method of calculating price to earning ratio of their Nifty 50 index. Before 31st March 2021, this was calculated based on the standalone result of the companies in their Nifty basket. But from 31st March 2021, instead of standalone result, they are taking a consolidated result, due to which in one day itself, the PE ratio has reduced from 40 to 35, which gave some wrong impression to various people that whether overnight the market has become very cheap or so. But this was not the fact. I have tried to see on National Stock Exchange if they have given any explanation as to why they have changed this methodology, but I could not find any explanation. I think National Stock Exchange is morally bound to give explanation to all the investing public as to why they have changed overnight this methodology of calculating the P by E ratio. Second thing is, before 31st March 2021, all the historical data is having PE ratio based on standalone result, and now the data is based on consolidated result. This will cause again a problem for people to make a comparison and take proper decision for future investment. Either NSE must now give all the old data again based on consolidated result so that the comparison can be done properly. Similarly, BSE also has got their own Sensex, but they continue to give this PE ratio based on standalone result only. We do not know why BSE and NSE do not have a proper coordination. If the NSE is giving a result of PE based on the consolidated results, then BSE also must give same figure based on consolidated result so that the general public will know and take their decision properly. In spite of making this change by NSE, it is surprised that I cannot see any articles on these either in leading financial newspaper or by leading brokerage houses or leading research companies asking NSE why they changed the method of calculating PE from standalone result to consolidated results. It is surprising that when India stock market is growing so fast, whenever we make such major structural change, it is a duty of the body like NSE to give proper information to all the investment public as to why they are making this change. They cannot just make a change without informing the general public reason for making the change. I suggest NSE must publish these details for all of us so that we know what is the exact reason for making the change in this major indice. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.